Take the dogs for a walk. Yeah, it looks nice enough. Alright, who's ready for a walk? Welcome back to Brick 2 Buddies. Today I will show you how to build dogs for a Lego dog walker. The dog walker himself is just a random minifig with a scared expression. First, I will show you how to build a Lego wiener dog. Then a Chihuahua. Then a white Pekingese. And lastly, a black poodle. Here is the tutorial for the wiener dog. Here is the Chihuahua tutorial. And here is the Pekingese, otherwise known as the hairy pig. And last, but certainly not least famous, we have the black poodle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe.